Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Marie and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful granny square. So without further delay, grab your yarn and crochet and let's get started. I'll be using 3 colors, purple, pink and off-white, and my crochet hook is 3 millimeters. We are going to start off by making a magic ring. This is how I make a magic ring. I roll over my 2 fingers and make an X, and then I'm going to go under this and then I'm going to grab this like that, and then I'll let it go, and then I'm going to make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. So we are going to be working in this magic ring and we are going to make 15 double crochets. Making a double crochet, you yarn over, you insert your hook in the ring, then you yarn over 2 loops, then you yarn over the rest 2 loops. We're going to be doing these 15 times. So we have 15 double crochets. Then you're going to grab your tail and you're going to pull the string, the yarn, till it closes, till the ring closes like that. And then we're going to make a slip stitch on our chain. So we have the 1, 2, 3 on the 3rd chain over here. Going to make a slip stitch. Next, you're going to be using our next color, which is pink. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then I'll pull my purple yarn like that, and then I'm gonna just add another chain. So what we want to do next is on this stitch, this first stitch over here, I'm going to yarn over like you're doing a double crochet, but don't do anything yet. Again, that's 2 and 3. Then you're going to have 7 loops on your hook. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and I'm going to go through all of the 7 just like that, and then I'm going to chain 1. On our next stitch, you're going to do the same, yarn over, going to the stitch, 1, 2, 3. Chain 1. Next stitch, yarn over, 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1. So we'll be doing this for 16 stitches. There are all 16 of them. So we're going to continue and I'm going to meet you right here. I'm on the last stitch, 2, and 3. Then I'm going to connect it here and make a slip stitch like that. I'll then cut my hand. Next row I'm going to be using of white, and I'm going to make a slip knot like that. And then I'm just going to start from anywhere, really, doesn't matter. In this tiny space we are going to make yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, and then you'll be having 4 loops on your crochet. Then you're going to yarn over all of the 4, and then you chain 2 like that. The next tiny space you're going to do the same, yarn over, and 3, chain 2, 1, 2. We're going to continue all around, and I'm going to meet you here. So we are going to work also inside these tiny spaces, and we are going to make a half double crochet, half double crochet, you yarn over, insert your hook, then yarn, go through the 3 loops. You're going to make half double crochets in every stitch, every tiny space. 1, 2, 3, 1, So we do have double crochets in 3 tiny spaces, and then in the 4th one we are going to make a corner. So we are going to make a double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and 3 more double crochets in the same tiny space, 1, 2, and 3. And then in 3 tiny spaces you're going to make 3 half double crochet in each, 3 half double crochet. So we have 1, 2, and 3. We do the same in the next tiny space, 1, 2, 3, and again. And 3. To make a corner, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, and 3 half double crochets, 1, 2, 3, the same in the next tiny space, 1, 2, 3, and then the same in the third tiny space, 2, 3. You make a corner, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, and 3. Double crochets, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then in the last tiny space we are going to make another corner, the 4th one, 1, 2, 3, 2 chains, 1, 2, and 3. There. And then you're going to make a slip stitch on the first half double crochet. There. That's my yarn. And then take it back on the back side by going from behind. Take your tail and pull it backwards. I'm going to make double crochets, 3 double crochets, that's 2, then 3, and then I'm chaining 2, 1, 2, and making 3 more double crochets, 1, 2, and 3, 3 half double crochets, 1, 2, 3, the corner, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 more double crochets, 3 half double crochets, continue doing this, and I'll meet you at the end. I'll meet you here. You're going to make 2 rows of purple, so this is 1, and then I'm going to make slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, and then the fourth one is this one, and then I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'll make 2 double crochets. 1, 2, chain 2, and then 3 double crochets in the same stitch. Okay, here we are only doing half double crochets, but on this row we are going to do 3 double crochets in each tiny space. So we have 1 double crochet, 2 and 3. The next 1, 2, 3. Next 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and we've reached the corner. We are going to make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 2 chains, and 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. So you're going to continue like this everywhere. So we're going to make half double crochets, not half double crochets, double crochets, 3 in each tiny space. On the corner, 3 double crochets, 2 chains, 3 double crochet, and you're going to do that until you complete this row. I'll see you at the end over here. So this is how you make the granny square. It looks like a sunflower. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. And if you want to know how to make a basic granny square, I made a video about it. Just go check on my videos. You're going to see it there. I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much.